Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to pass Oracle OCI exam. That is 1072 exam. See, this is the my latest core report. I have took exam on August 8th, 2020, and I have passed the exam certificate. I'll tell you which terms we have to follow. I have followed these terms and I got 100 out of 100 questions from these terms only. Let us discuss one by one. First question here is not available as a part of Oracle Cloud free tier. The answer is Exadata DB system. Others are free as part of cloud tier. If you want Exadata DB system, you have to purchase separate license for the Exadata. So the answer is this one, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, Exadata DB system. Second question is, which capability enable you to search, purchase, and start using software in your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure tenancy? Oracle Marketplace. This is a GUI which give you details on search, which are the product you want to search and purchase and start using as a service. Third question is, you have mission critical application which require you globally available all the time. Which deployment strategy should you adopt? For 24/7 availability of the system, you need to concentrate on fault domains and availability domains in multiple reasons. Fault domains will help you in recovering your system from any hardware or current failure or disaster recovery or any site disaster. You can have your availability domain in multiple regions so that if one region comes down means you can use another region. So your data is available will be available in the another region. You can restore back. For example, multiple region means if you have one in India and one in US, if some climate disaster happens in India means you can restore those your data, customer data from the another region. Fault domain will help you in recovering your data. Services integrated with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Management. The answer is object storage, block volume, and file storage. File storage is default one, and object storage is OCI. Oracle will give you when you purchase OCI. This is the default storage the Oracle will give you. The block volume and the file storage. These three storage you will get as a part of OCI. A customer want to dedicate connection with minimal network latency from the on-premise data center to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Which service should they choose? The answer is OCI Fast Connect. Setting up the proof of concept and need to quickly establish a secure connection between a premises data center and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The answer is IPsec VPN. According to shared security model, which two are customers responsible in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? OCI. The answer is local NVMe data persistence and customer data. Next question is which used to distribute incoming traffic? A set of web servers. Incoming traffic will be balanced by load balance. So the answer is load balance. Which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure service is best suited for running serverless apps? Without server, you want to run any services, you have to choose always Oracle Functions. You want to migrate mission critical Oracle e-business suite application to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure with full control and access to the underlying infrastructure. Which option meets this requirement? The answer is OCI Exadata System and OCI Compute Instance. Which statement accurately describes an Oracle infrastructure region? Region comes means you have to always choose each availability domain has 3 fault domains. This is the default configuration. Each availability domain must have 3 fault domains. Which is the key benefit of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Virtual Machine DB system? It has rack. Which 3 components are a part of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Identity and Access Management Service? For identity and access management, users are grouped into dynamic groups. Okay, first the users, number of users. If you have 10 users, they will be grouped under one dynamic group. They will be added to the dynamic group. After that, they will put policy, which are the policy. They will put that policy on these dynamic groups. So you need users and dynamic groups. After on dynamic groups, you have to choose the policy. So these 3 are required. Which is not part of Oracle Cloud, always pre-eligible source that you can provision in your tenancy. Fast Connect, it is not the free. Block volume, they will give you free. This is we discussed in the previous question. Block volume and object storage and file storage. Automatic database, they will give you, and load balancing they will give you. At least one load balancing they will give you as a free. Fast connect will not give you as a free. You have to purchase separate license for fast connect. Next question is Oracle cloud infrastructure budget can be set on which two options? The budget can be set on compartments and cost tracking tags. Next question is which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Service leverage Terraform to configure infrastructure as a code? The answer is Oracle Functions. Which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Service can you use to access user security of your Oracle database? Security comes means it always we can use data sale. Okay, in Oracle data save, all your user security profile will be created. Which pricing model is not supported by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? You can have universal credit monthly flex plan, pay as you go, you can use, bring your own license also you can use, but you cannot reserve your own instance. Once you purchase and you have expired your license means they will take back their instance. After that, they can give any instance. After second time, if you purchase means they can give any. So you can't reserve your own instance in OC. Next question is which is not considered as a security resource within the Oracle. Using file storage, we cannot maintain the security. File storage, we can use it for only sharing the file from one system to another system. It will be faster. So it cannot be considered as security resource within Oracle's cloud infrastructure. Next, a customer wants to deploy a customer e-commerce web application using multiple virtual machines, block storage, database, load balancer, and web application. What cloud model can be used to host this application? E-commerce means infrastructure as a service we have to choose. IaaS means both infrastructure they will provide e-commerce. For e-commerce, we need one front-end application and one server. Front-end application means SaaS and one server and one database. Servers will be provided by IaaS and PaaS will be database will be involved in platform as a service. So we need all three. So answer is infrastructure. If you purchase software service, they'll give you only the GUI. Just purchase this platform, give you database and GUI. We need server also. So for with multiple virtual machines. Okay, this will include in IaaS. Databases is include in PaaS. Load balancer and web application. The front-end UI application included in SaaS. Okay, so we need infrastructure as a service. Which service is most effective for moving the large amount of data from one premises to OCI? This can be achieved using data transfer appliance. What two statements regarding virtual cloud network are true? VCN is a virtual cloud is a regional resource, okay, that span across all the available domains in the region. And single VCN can contain both private and public subnet. This virtual network contain both private and public subnets. You can use either of that, and it is a regional resource. Next question is, which capability can be used to protect against unexpected? We already discussed. Unexpected hardware and failure can be achieved by fault domain. What does compute instance horizontal scaling means? Horizontal scaling means this parallelism, adding additional compute instance. If the storage is full, we can add the more compute instance. That is the scaling, which is not a valid business benefit for a customer considering migrating their infrastructure and apps to OCI. ECU. Which two should be considered when designing fault tolerant solution in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Service? Using multiple OCI available domains, fault tolerance means we have to concentrate on availability domains and fault domains. Which Oracle Cloud Infrastructure database solution will be most economical for the cluster looking for energy elasticity? Have the elasticity of the cloud with minimal administration and maintenance effort from the database. This can be achieved using autonomous database. Autonomous database help you in autonomous patching, cloning, and database upgrade. Everything taken care by autonomous database. So the answer is OCI autonomous database. A banking platform has been redesigned to microservice-based architecture using Docker component deployment, which service can use to deploy container on the cloud. Then we can deploy the container using container engine Kubernetes. This is the two. Key benefit of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Autonomous Database. Yes. Using OCI Autonomous Data Warehouse, you can scale both CPU and storage. Customer want to use Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for stopping application backups. Can be stored for months but retrieved immediately on business to current. To immediately retrieval, we have to use object storage. This will be a little bit costlier than file storage. If you want the data immediately, you have to use object storage, the standard. We have discussed 30 questions now. Next 30 questions we'll discuss in next week. Thanks for watching.